Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here with another review of the A600 6-sensor auto stabilization brushless airplane. Okay, I'm not doing gyros today. I want to fly this one more time here. I want to show you what the 3D mode is about. If I press this button here real quick, do a quick press, you'll hear a quick beep. And what that'll do is turn off the auto stabilization that prevents the airplane from exceeding its pitch or its bank in any one direction. If it has auto stabilization on, it doesn't let this airplane fly any more than, I believe, 45 degrees in any one direction. It just automatically will correct that, making this almost crash proof in 6G mode. But with 3D mode, you can turn that off so that you can do loops and rolls and try to do barrel rolls, maybe even fly horizontally like that, do Immelmans, whatever. Hopefully, we're going to be able to do that today. But first off, I'm going to start off in 6G mode. Then I'm going to turn off the 6G mode and enter 3D mode and just do some gentle flying, or attempt to do some gentle flying without auto stabilization. I'm going to probably get into trouble and send it toward the ground and press this button real quick to show you what that does. If you do get into trouble with this airplane, all you got to do is press this button real quick one time and it'll level itself. Again, trying to make this airplane almost crash proof. And if I feel confident enough, maybe I'll do some loops and rolls. We'll see. So let's go into flight of the A600 and intro into 3D mode. Double checking that again. Okay, the elevator is going up. The elevator is pointing down, so it's trying to level it that way. And the rudder is correcting properly, and so is the ailerons. Now let's turn it off. Let's turn off 6G mode and see what happens. 6G mode is off, but notice I can turn this and continue rolling it upside down. Let's turn 6G back on. See how that automatically corrects itself to right itself with 6G on? So 6G is off. And we're in 3D mode, and it recenters itself. Okay, let's go for a flight. Again, we're going to start off in 6G mode. So let me hold the controller in the other hand, throw it with my right hand, starting up the throttle. And there we go. Again, very easy to fly. Let me get a feel for it before we turn off 6G. Okay, I'm going to turn off 6G mode right now. Now I'm flying. I can get into trouble now because I am flying. If not careful, I can, oh my God, no! See how that stops itself? Let's do it again. Let's bring it overhead, pressing the button. Now let's give it too much aileron again. Head toward the ground. No! See how that automatically stops itself? All you got to do is press that button and it'll pull you out of extremis. Okay, now let's just try to fly. Again, if I get into trouble, I will correct myself. I'm in 6G right now, obviously. Do I feel comfortable with this? Let's 6G. Let's try a loop. So you can go in and out of 6G 3D. Just, if you're in trouble, you're probably in 3D mode. 3D mode again. Let's try a roll. Back to 6G. So you can go in and out. Roll again. Back to 6G. Cool, huh? Can I do inverted flying? Let's try it. I am not a good RC pilot, as you can tell here, but what makes this thing so cool is you don't need to be an RC pilot to do tricks with this thing. Still in 3D mode. Back to 6G. So again, just about anybody can fly this thing. And let me see if I can keep it real close to show you that you could probably fly it at your local ballpark. For the remainder of the flight here. You don't need a big, huge field to fly this thing. Just about anywhere you can fly this. And I got a lot of breeze coming here from the mountains today, so I'm going to probably leave it in 6. Well, let's go to 3D mode again one more time. Come out of it. There, I did a roll. Now let's do another roll. Oh, almost. I'm watching these motorcycles over here. I hope they don't come over this way. But it's Sunday, and that's what they do on Sunday, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, they're coming this way to watch me fly. Coming back at. Great airplane. Easy flyer. Let's try a loop. How's it going? Okay, let's try that loop again. I guess I should get some more speed up before I do a loop. Back out of 3D mode. Let's get some speed. There we go. So you can do your loops and rolls and just go into and out of 3D mode. My dog didn't like those motorcyclists, but that's okay. Like I said, it's Sunday. That's what they do on Sundays. Let's show you what I'm doing here. Let's try that loop again. And back to 3D mode, or 6G mode. So simple to fly. Let's try a roll. Almost, huh? Saved my butt. So you keep that finger on that. If you're flying this thing, you got to fly with your thumbs in effect, so you can turn this 6G mode on and off. I like flying with thumbs mostly. Thought I'd crash it, huh? Nope. Not this airplane. Well, this airplane is super simple to fly. Oh, the battery came out. Oh no. That's what happened there. And that happened around here somewhere. So it's not totally crash proof if your battery door pops open. I gotta find that battery door. Hold on, folks. This is Quadcopter 101. By unbelievable luck, I found that door for the battery door, so I don't have to order a replacement part right now. And it's on there securely now. Double checking the controls. Okay. Yeah, that's 6G mode there. Just making sure I'm in 6G mode. We're going to go for another flight of the A600 with the remaining battery power I got in this battery. And I'm just going to fly it close in for the remainder of this flight. Sturdy little airplane. That was a pretty good smack up I had there when that door popped open.